In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails from Outlook into OneNote. This is a simple yet powerful way to keep your important messages, references, and tasks organized in one place, right alongside your notes. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook and go to your inbox or any folder that contains the email you want to transfer. Take a moment to scroll through your messages and select the one you'd like to send to OneNote. Once the email is selected, make sure it is clearly highlighted so you know you're working with the correct message. Next, direct your attention to the top menu in Outlook, where you'll find different tools for managing your emails. Look for the option that allows you to send content directly to OneNote. Depending on the version you're using, this feature may appear as a button labeled Send to OneNote or something similar. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the option, a small window will appear on your screen. This window allows you to choose exactly where the email will be saved within OneNote. You'll see your available notebooks listed, along with their sections and pages. Take your time here and select the most appropriate location based on the content of your email. Choosing the right notebook and section will make it much easier to find your information later on. Once you've selected your preferred destination, confirm your choice. Outlook will then process your request and send a copy of the email directly into OneNote. When you open OneNote, you'll notice that the email has been added as a new page. It will typically include key details such as the subject, sender information, date, and the full message content, giving you a complete reference. At this point, you can enhance your notes further by adding your own input directly on the page. This is especially helpful if you want to summarize the message, highlight important points, or turn parts of the email into tasks or reminders. Moving emails into OneNote is a quick and efficient way to centralize your information. It helps you stay organized, improves your workflow, and ensures that everything you need is easy to access whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.